Good morning, my hardworking bees. This is Miss Rose, your English teacher. Today we are doing an English grammar lesson about abbreviations. What do we mean by abbreviations? An abbreviation is a shortened version of a word or a phrase. Look at the examples below. US, app, NATO, doctor, there. US is a shortened version of the phrase United States. App is a shortened version of the word application. We have 4 types of abbreviations: initialism, acronyms, shortening, contractions. So let's look at each type in more details. First, initialism. It is formed from the first letters of a group of words. Here is a good example. Look at this phrase, Federal Bureau of Investigation. We form the initials FBI from the first letter of each word. FBI. UN represent the first letters of the phrase United Nation. Keep in your mind to pronounce each letter individually. FBI, UN. As for the periods or full stops, in British English, we do not usually add a period after the abbreviation. While in American English, it's a question of style, so it's possible to use periods in initialism. If the first letters of the full form are capitalized, then we always write the abbreviation with capital letters, as the example shown below. Here's the right form, here is the wrong form. If the first letters of the full form are not capitalized, then it's a style choice, and both forms are accepted, like the examples shown below. See? CD, ASAP. The initials refer to the phrase as soon as possible. Contractions. Contractions are abbreviations in which we drop letters from the middle of a word. Our main concern is type number 1, missing letters from one word. As you can see in the examples here, we have dropped the letters in the middle. Doctor. We took the first letter and the last letter. Also here, we dropped the letters in the middle, and here, and here. Putting periods after abbreviations or not is a little known difference between British English and American English. Therefore, using contractions in American English, we always add a period after abbreviations, as you can see. However, in British English, we do not use periods. Remember, the first letter is a capital letter only if the full word starts with capital. To make things clearer, I added here an exercise. As you can see, you are asked to use abbreviation for the underlined words. I did the first 3. We use the contractions rules. Look how I put the period after the abbreviation because we are using American English. In this second slide, you are asked to use the abbreviations for mailing addresses. We use both contractions and ellipticism rules. Here we have an address that includes words for people and places. These three abbreviations, and here we have an abbreviation for estate. Notice how I wrote the initials in capital letter. Both letters are capital. I attached a worksheet as a Word document below so you can practice what you have learned. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Take care and goodbye.